cousin or somebody, who knows. Anyway, this morning, we've got a beautiful start. It feels wonderful outside this morning. And as you take a look, live from our AAA Systems HD Doppler cam, yeah, that tells the story. You can see how clean and clear the air is, just refreshing to start out this Thursday morning. And look at the temperature at 57 degrees. Some of you are even cooler than that. Here's a look at regional temperatures. Check it out, 60 at the airport. It is 57 in Evansville. Look at Carbondale, Illinois at 53. Just a very stable and cool air mass, even a little taste of fall. And here's why. The dew points, which had been in the 70s, is now only in the 50s. And you can tell just by looking at the color of that map how dry or how much drier the air is and more comfortable when you get those dew points in the 50s. And on top of that, we are 10 degrees cooler than we were yesterday morning at this same time. The Ford's Mattress Gallery school day forecast, a beautiful day, ride to school will be clear in the 50s for the ride home, sunny and in the upper 70s to near 80 degrees for a high temperature with loads of sunshine expected today. How long will this pattern last? I'll tell you coming up in your 7-day forecast.
Brought to you by the Medical Center.
Wow, what a gorgeous start this morning. Lots of clear sky, calm winds, cool conditions in the 50s for most of us. Yeah, this may last a little while longer.
I'll be there in a minute.
Rain, not until maybe late Sunday night into Monday, and it could be an indirect result because of Harvey. And here is the latest on Tropical Storm Gulf of Mexico. It is strengthening, rapidly strengthening. As a matter of fact, here is the very latest on Harvey. Winds at 45 miles per hour as it's 425 miles to the southeast of Port O'Connor, Texas. Now, later today or early tomorrow, it is forecast to become a Category 1 hurricane before it makes landfall. You see there winds at 80 miles per hour by, well, maybe even before Friday afternoon. Then into Saturday, Sunday, it makes landfall and then kind of does a little curl back around by late Sunday and try to throw some moisture up our direction by late Sunday into Monday. So we could get an indirect result from the remnants of Harvey as it becomes a hurricane. But the problem is down around here, they're looking at an additional, now get this, 20 inches of rain. That's almost unimaginable, but it could be catastrophic for those folks because Houston floods so easily anyway. It can come a strong thunderstorm and the rivers just go over their banks. So the folks down there are in for a big, big mess. Here at home, quiet, a little bit of light fog, clear sky, beautiful, 57 degrees currently. No rainfall, of course. Yesterday it was a pristine day. Today will be the same way. 83, that was it for the high temperature. 89, the average. 66 was our low yesterday. This morning it looks like we'll see lows in the upper 50s. It is 60 right now from the airport. The wind's calm. Low dew point at 58, 93% humidity. Here we go with some of the numbers right now, live and in real time. Look at that, 54 in Hardinsburg. How about 53 in Morgantown? Everybody in the 50s this morning with the dew points also in the 50s. That's why it feels so nice. We're on this side of the scale instead of being down there on the muggy end for a change. Greenville clear, 56. Franklin clear, 59 degrees. Litchfield, look at that deep blue sky even before the sun comes up. 57 degrees and a nice sky, clear, 58 on the square in Scottsville. High pressure in control, and it'll be 401. We're not going to see a wholesale change in anything anytime soon with those dew points in the fair and those low-lying areas to flood. Now, an indirect response to Harvey as the remnants continue to float around Monday into Tuesday around the southeastern Texas loop at the beginning of next week, and that's something that we'll be watching as we could see remnants of Harvey, or the remnants of Harvey itself is energy coming our direction. But right now, we're off to a great clear, cool start this morning. 58 degrees. Currently, air quality good at a 39. Pollen, though, ragweed pollen still high at a 9. UV index very high, 9 out of 10 today. Molds are moderate. At the airport, it is a clear, comfortable 59 degrees with the winds calm at this hour, and just about everybody in the 50s. There's a couple of 60s, Elkton, Bowling Green, everybody else. Look at that 53 in Morgantown right now. That is beneficial for the folks wanting to get out early and just take it all in this morning. You may want to give a jacket to the kids as they wait for the school bus. Those low dew points in the 50s, beautiful. Mammoth Cave National Park, well, we did have a picture there, but it went away. 56 degrees now. Tompkinsville, you've got a nice picture from our AAA Systems weather cam. In Monroe County, Russellville is clear, 56 degrees there. Morgantown starting the day in Butler County with a comfortable 53 degrees. High pressure, large and in charge, sitting right over St. Louis, Missouri this morning, and we're on the east side of that high pressure center, so the wind is out of the north and northeast, helping dry things out after that cold front you see south of us continue to drop, which means we're going to bask in this very nice air for several days to come. Future Max Predictor not showing any rain anywhere close to us. The nearest boundary, overnight lows will still drop into the 50s tonight and early tomorrow morning. Then we go back into the upper 70s to low 80s with loads of sunshine tomorrow. And look at this again, Friday night into Saturday morning. Temperatures dropping once again into the 50s. Friday night football game should feel like fall when you get out there. Maybe take a jacket or sweater. Saturday looking good too. In fact, the 10-day trend is averaging below average. And notice this, 89 to 88. The average just went down one more degree from 89 to 88. Another sign that the transition is beginning from late summer into early fall. Look at those temperatures for the next 10 days. Not getting any warmer than the mid-80s next weekend. That's bonus weather for sure. 80 degrees today, or near 80, sunny and pleasant, northeast wind at 8. Then tonight, clear and cool once again, 57. Some of you may even get cooler than that. Then we keep it dry and sunny the next few days. Highs in the low 80s, lows in the upper 50s to low 60s. And as I mentioned, we could indirectly be affected by the remnants of Harvey by Monday into Tuesday with a few scattered showers and thunderstorms.
And this morning, it felt like a teaser of fall, and that's perfect timing because coming up next on AM Kentucky, we're talking about the boys of fall. Don't miss it.